Spiders and tombstones, ghosts and goblins, little candles. Oh man! And then this guy's pretty good. Then there's the little projection system, and the 3D printed stuff has been a real hit. Probably had 50 or 60 trick-or-treaters. Haven't had any about a half hour, so I think I'm going to close down. It's probably school night tomorrow. This thing's pretty neat. It just kind of cycles through a bunch of different videos. You can also use it for projection of movies. It was only about $60, so it's got HDMI. Comes with this card that has a bunch of different Halloween props. I'll figure out how to get that blue thing out that pops up when it switches to each different scene, because it's kind of cheesy, but other than that, it's been pretty good. Happy Halloween. I had more props, but I didn't put them up this year. I figured it's pretty good the way I have it, not going too overboard.